Hi there. So I'm going to show you programming section for chapter inheritance and polymorphism. So this is a supertype. Our supertype name is a laundry service. So for the supertype, we set as public abstract class laundry service. For the supertype, must be have a abstract. So it can abstract to the wet clean and dry clean classes. So we declare a string customer name and int code. We have two type of data that we're gonna ask from the user. So this is a default method, and this is a normal method, and this is a setter method. This is getter method, and this is a toString method. So this is abstract class that must contain and connected to the supertype. Let's go to the subclass. So this is first subclass. We name it public class wet clean extends laundry service. So it's automatically connect to the superclass. So these are two data that needed for this class is string type and double weight. So this is default method, normal method, setter method, getter method, and this is toString method, and this is a processor method that we mentioned earlier in a supertype amount due. For the reminder, amount due needed to have in the wet clean and dry clean, both of class subclass. So for the dry clean, we name as public class dry clean extends laundry service. For this class, we ask for the quantity only, int quantity. This is a default class, normal class, setter class, getter class, toString class, and for the final is amount due for the processor method. So then finally we set all the classes into the main class. So for this class, we're gonna ask the user how many number of customer. So the user key in, so it will enter for the loop, and the limit is based on how many customer. So the user will input the name of the customer. So what kind of code that customer, either wet clean or dry clean. So we'll choose the code, and the if nested if the code one for the wet clean, so there is option close or others. So it will ask for the weight. So then if the code is 2, which is a dry clean, it will ask for the quantity only. So this section will calculate the total amount due for the class with wet clean and dry clean. So this will be print for the detailed customer, and this is one for wet clean, amount due for the wet clean only for the closest. This is for the total wet clean, and finally is for the dry clean service. So let's go to try the system. So let's put 3 customer, enter name, let's choose wet clean, closest, weight we take 3.0 kilogram. For the second customer, we took for the wet clean, this time we do others for 4.3 kilogram, and the last customer for the dry clean quantity we just put 5. So this all is the detailed customer, first customer with the amount due that customer need to pay. For the wet clean closest category, others category, and the dry clean quantity and the total amount due. So this print out the wet clean for the closest only total. This is wet clean service total, and this is dry clean service. That's all for the chapter inheritance and polymorphism, example of programming section. So thank you.